What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we are unboxing 2026 Hot Wheels J case. If you guys are interested in purchasing a case yourself, I do purchase all of my cases from Granite Toys. I will leave a link down in the description. In this case, the treasure hunt for this is a Amaru GTC, and the super treasure hunt is a Subaru Impreza WRX. Let's dive in and see what we got. Alright guys, now that we got the pack open, let's start diving in and see what kind of cars we can find. For starters, we got a 1994 Audi Avant RS2. Up next we have the Kick F1 team. Following that, we have new to the 2026 mainline, the Cadillac Celestiq. I could be pronouncing that wrong. I apologize if I am. Then we have the Track Ripper. Up next, we have the Super Twin Mill. And man, this is early in the case. We have the Amaru GTC, and it is the treasure hunt. I don't know if you guys can tell. There's a little logo right behind there, indicating this is the treasure hunt. Let's see if we have the Subaru now. Up next, we have the 65 Mercury Comet Cyclone, followed by the Chop and Block, new to 26 mainline, followed by the Roller Toaster, next we got the 2011 Corvette Grand Sport, followed by the Mad Drip, which is also new to the 2026 mainline. And we pulled another Cadillac Celestiq. I could pronounce that wrong again. I apologize. Up next, we got the VW Buzz Bomb, also new to the 2026 mainline. Then we have the Mach Speeder, and we have the Mountain Hauler. Followed by the 5 Alarm. Then we have the 68 Shelly GT500, followed by Batmobile, then we have a new 2026 mainline, the Mercedes-Benz CLA HW, followed by a beautiful blue Porsche Taycan Turbo S, followed by the Purple Passion, next we got the Mach Speeder, pulled another VW Buzz Bomb, and another Mad Drip. Then we have the 1970 Ford Escort RS 1600, followed by the new 2026 mainline PT Fast. Then you have a 64 Lincoln Continental, next car we have is the Datsun 620, followed by the 82 Toyota Supra, and then we have the Raging Express, a new 2026 mainline, an 88 Mitsubishi Starion, followed by another roller coaster, and another Datsun 620. Okay, up next we have a 1983 Porsche 928S, followed by another 2017 Audi RS6 Avant. Then we have a SF90 Ferrari, okay. Then we have another 1988 Mitsubishi Starion, followed by a Haulerback. Then we have a Gone Mad, next we have a 70s Ford Escort RS 1600, followed by a new 2026 mainline edition, an Austin Mini Cooper S, followed by a Jaguar XJC V12 Coupe, up next we have a tuned edition 1970 Dodge Charger, followed by back-to-back Lotus Sport Elise, then we have a Mailed It, we got the new 2026 Pass and Go Monopoly car, we got a beautiful 70s Buick GSX, followed up by another tuned car, the Volkswagen Golf MK1, another F1 kick car, and another chopping block. Next is the La Libre. This is a new one for the 2026 mainline and a Legends Tour winner, followed by a 55 Chevy and another Mini Cooper S. Then we have another Purple Passion, followed by a 69 Chevelle, next is a Super Twin Mill, next we got the head gasket, and unfortunately not the Super Treasure Hunt, but the mainline. Still a very cool car. Have the Subaru Impreza WRX, followed by a beautiful light blue 63 Chevy. This thing is sweet. I like this a lot. Next we have another Mercedes-Benz CLA, followed by the Desert Drifter, followed by the Duck and Roll for you Jeep people. This is your Hot Wheel. Next up we got another Batmobile, followed by another 1983 Porsche 928S, and a WhatsApp, however you want to pronounce it. Next up we got another PT Fast, followed by the Monster High Goldmobile, followed by another SF90, and lastly, for the last three cars, we got another tuned Volkswagen Golf MK1, followed by twin tags new to the 2026 mainline, and another La Brave. If you guys are interested in buying a case, like I said, I will leave a link in the description. Go and check it out. They also have a couple different other cases on there. In the meantime, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you in the next one.